the hair dryer is that it will not turn on, no light will come on. What happened is a fuse, internal fuse is blown, and to fix it you have to take it apart. To take it apart, you pretty much have to snap off this back plate and then this ring that goes in the front. So once you get those off, then you'll be able to snap the shelves. The two shelves are held together by some clips, but before you can undo those, you have to take out these two screws on the handle, which have these plastic caps that basically needed to be popped off. After you pop those off, of course, you'll be able to get these two screws out, and with those off, you should be able to snap the two shells out, the two shells apart. These shells are very held together very strongly. It requires a lot of force to snap the shells. This clips off at the top. There's three at the top, and then three at the bottom as well. So some sharp tool or flat tool need to be inserted. What is broken is this thermal fuse that was totally blown. So you first need to pull it out. I already pulled it out, but I'm just showing you so you can see this type of fuse is 184 Celsius temperature and 15 amps. I found some 200 degrees Celsius and 50 amps. I have the link in the description, and I'll use this to replace. So first I bend the legs, as you can see there, and then I will insert this fuse back into these two rivet holes where the other one was installed, and then I will just fold the legs over with some pliers. Now be really careful not to damage any of the wires or any of the temperature or heater coil as you see in there. But yeah, once you put it in, you should be able to get a good contact. Cramp them tight so they stay secure, and after that be really careful when you do this, but because it's live, but I was able to turn it on, and the dryer was fixed. Then you have to basically put everything back together, snap all the components in place. There is a cone that goes over. This cone needs to be secured tightly and aligned properly, and there is a piece of yellow tape that goes over it, so make sure that is inserted nice and tight. And once you have everything together, very carefully put everything together, and then it should go back together as it was originally.